Take a ride in 2021 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control magnetic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, running boards, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.